What's up guys, this is Max from the Engine Base. Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore carbon fiber. I bought these mirror caps about a year ago and I didn't protect them with anything when I bought them. I just installed them and I left them as it is. So now we're going to show you guys they're starting to get hazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to polish it and protect it to prevent it from happening again. So in order to make this happen, we're going to start off by using a detail spray with a clay bar, and then we're going to follow it with the polish, and to finish it we're going to be using a sealant, wax, or ceramic coating that I'll be showing you guys later. So we already washed the entire car, so the surface is already clean. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use a clay bar to remove whatever contaminants are still stuck. So as you can see, there's a little bit of contamination. That's very important to get off, because when you use a polisher, if that's not removed, you're just going to cause more swirls and damage to the product. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using a 6-inch polisher. I know it's a big overkill for this little mirror, but I already have it out. I don't want to bring out my other polisher. To polish it, we're going to be using 3D1. This is an all-in-one hybrid compound, and it's going to give us some great clarity. So since it's a small area, all I'm going to do is give 2 little drops, and I'm going to start applying it to the mirror. I'm only going to do half of the mirror to show you guys the difference. I'm not going to be doing the full mirror. Alright guys, so now that you guys see the difference between when it's polished and when it's not, I'm going to go ahead and finish the mirror, and then I'll show you guys how we seal it. So before applying the protection, we're going to remove any excess polish that we have using Carb Pro Eraser. Okay, so as protection, you can use anything as simple as a spray wax, a paint sealant, or go even a step further and use ceramic coating. Since this is my car and I want as much protection as possible, I'm going to be using the ceramic coating, and I'm going to be applying it to all my carbon fiber pieces on my car. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we shake the ceramic coating really well. And then we're just going to drop a few drops onto the applicator. And then we're going to just apply the ceramic, and we're going to use hashtag patterns. We're going to go up one way and then down. Now that the ceramic coating has flashed, we're going to start wiping it off. We just finished applying ceramic to all the carbon fiber pieces. If you use a spray wax or a paint sealant, don't forget you do have to reapply every so often according to directions. As for me, since I use ceramic, that gives me 2 years of solid protection. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more info.